Are you looking for a luxury home or a lifestyle? Here at 160QuirkTrail, you can get both. This stunning 4,378 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath custom home sits on what may be the most spectacular lot in the Indian Springs Ranch subdivision, offering panoramic views of 3 mountain ranges, the lush fairways of the golf course, and the Eureka Valley. The open floor plan flows seamlessly into a spacious great room filled with natural light, perfect for entertaining and everyday living. From quartzite and granite countertops to custom knotty cherry cabinetry and a large center island, the kitchen combines high-end finishes with thoughtful design. Warm up by the gas fireplace or unwind in the spa-inspired primary suite, complete with a 6-foot jetted tub, walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a spacious walk-in closet. This serene retreat also offers direct access to the wraparound deck, bringing the views and fresh air right to your door. The full walkout basement adds even more living space with a large family room, a relaxing interior sauna, and 2 bedrooms connected by a Jack-Angel bath. Step outside to the wraparound deck or stamped concrete patio, ideal for grilling, entertaining, or simply soaking in the views. A heated 30 by 40 shop and oversized 2-car garage offer plenty of space for your toys and tools. The paved turnaround driveway and landscaped yard with automatic sprinklers round out the exterior features. Enjoy miles of nearby walking trails, take in a round of golf, or gather with friends at the Eagle's Nest Pub just down the hill. Because this isn't just a home, it is a lifestyle.